On 23rd of February, she violated code of conduct by attending flag hosting ceremony of BJP political party. Renowned Manipuri singer Pushparani had an explanation call from Directorate of Social Welfare Manipur, Director N.G. Uttam, for violating Central Service Conduct Rule for supporting an attended political party function. According to the order of Chief Electoral Government of Manipur, which has already circulated before the election, any government employee is strictly not allowed to support or involvement in any political campaign or political party. Pushparani is a singer by profession who worked as a music instructor in Government Idol Blind School at Takhel, Imphal. On 23rd of February, she violated code of conduct by attending flag hosting ceremony of BJP political party. Chief Electoral Officer of Manipur wants a clear explanation by 26 February from singer Pushparani for her involvement in political party function.